Having to move your camera from one mount to another can be annoying and can take extra time that sometimes you just haven't got. But with this new system recently launched by PGYTECH, switching mounts has never been easier. PGYTECH sent me 8 mounts that have all been redesigned and sent around this new quick release accessory. Each mount comes with 2 quick release plates, one with a 1/4 inch thread and one with the classic GoPro fingerstyle attachment, so you can use these on a range of cameras. And the plate then just slides into the mount and locks into place, and it's a really solid, secure fit. And to release it, you simply push the button and slide it out. There are so many practical uses for this system, and I found it particularly useful for biking, where you can switch from a handlebar mount to the neck mount easily. And for driving, where you can switch from an interior shot on a suction mount to the triple mount on the exterior bonnet of the car, and then to a single magnet mount on the roof. But the star of the show with this range of mounts is the newly released Mantis Pod Zed. And this is pretty much an everything mount. And it's the newest member of the Mantis Pod series. It has a wide base sturdy tripod, it's a vlogging hand grip, and it's a hanging mount. And also extends so you can use it as an extension arm, and the 2 elbows mean that it can be adjusted to various positions, and it has a movable ball head as well. And the arm is great to get the camera further away from yourself for a wider vlogging style shot, or to use the camera underslung to get those shots close to the ground. This is such a versatile accessory, and of course it has the newly integrated quick release plate as well. And this means you can seamlessly move from your bike or your car and go straight into a handheld vlogging style shot or a tripod shot and then back again easily. But this is aimed more at single lens style action cameras like the GoPro or the Insta360 ONE RS with the 4K mod. So if you want more action camera accessory ideas for your 360 camera, then you'll want to watch this video next, and I'll see you over there.